All right, guys, we got a bite. What we got. What's up, guys? The Crip Rhinos here out in the Newport back bay here. But anyways, we're fishing today. We're also going to show you some aerial footage from my drone, but we're going to try to catch some either yellowfin croaker, we're going to try to catch some calico bass, and we're also going to try to catch anything. Even stingrays and stuff is still a good time, some sharks. But we're going to check it out. You guys are going to see some aerial footage from my drone. You guys are going to have a good time.
So much fun here. It's free parking. There's a little gravel area behind you guys that you can see. But it's so much fun. Almost every cast, if you come here at the right time of day, you catch something. So yeah, we're going to make a sick video for you guys, and hopefully we catch a big one. And if you like the video, remember to smash that like, subscribe for more, and comment down below if you have any tips or tricks, or you just want to contact us in any way. Also, we have a channel on Instagram, so don't miss out on that. Check that out. We'll put it somewhere on the screen for you guys. And yeah, guys, thank you so much.
Yep. And anyways, guys, let's check out the drone cam. Let's check it out. Yeah, guys, this is a really cool place to be. Like, look, you can just literally park your car right here, right on the rocks right here. You're right on the water. So what I like to do is I like to make my own setup in my truck bed right here. And yeah, look at that view. The tide's really high right now, so that's like a really good thing when it comes to fishing. And we're here at a good time, so we're hopefully gonna catch some good fish here. They're flopping everywhere. We literally saw some yellowfin croaker just flopping like in multiple directions. It was kind of cool. But we're gonna try to get out there because I want to catch these things. I've been waiting to catch a fish for a while, so let's go catch them, guys. Anyways, we got some frozen squid. You can get this anywhere in liquor stores or gas stations or near the beach. We got the squid on the hook right here. So anyways, we're gonna cast out right now. Let's do it. All right, now we're gonna leave it out there, let it sink a little bit, and just wait. All right, guys, we got a bite. We got a stingray.
Woo, got ourselves a ray.
Look at a little bat ray.
Got ourselves a ray, guys.
Anyways, first catch of the day. Check it out. All right, let's get this guy off. Let's get him off the hook. All right, guys, we're gonna release this little bat ray. This guy needs to get back in the water, so let's do it. Here we go. Nice. All right, guys, cast number 2. Let's do it. All right, lock it in. So we just got our chair right here, we're sitting, we got our line out. Pretty cool place to be. I mean, you can't beat this ever, especially when everyone's quarantined. Look, there is absolutely no need for social distancing. Everyone's minding their own business. Getting some bites. Yep. Yep. Ah. You see that flop?
Lost it.
All right, guys, we're all done here today. Newport Beach is a great place to come fish. I mean, we caught some stuff. Jeremy caught a yellowfin croaker. I caught a stingray, and he also caught a stingray as well. But anyways, it was a great time. You can always catch fish here. This wasn't our day, but anyways, we still had a good time. Fishing is great. Whatever you catch is always a good fight. So anyways, we're gonna go home now, but I appreciate you guys watching our video, and we wanna make sure you like and subscribe to this as well.
Yeah, we love that you guys show us the love. We appreciate it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, like you said, it's beautiful out here. We might not have caught the most amount of fish, but at least we caught something, showed you guys, and it's just fun to get out here and show you guys what we do. And thank you so much.